In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up email hosting with one.com, even if this is your very first time doing it. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been wanting a professional email that uses your domain name like you at yourwebsite.com instead of something like Gmail or Yahoo, this video is going to give you all the information that you need. We're going to talk about how the process starts, explain what each step means, and how you can get your custom email up and running fast. Let's get into it. So first off, what is one.com and why use it for email hosting? So one.com is a hosting company that offers domain names, website hosting, and email hosting all in one place. When you register your domain through one.com or transfer it there, you also get the option to host your email accounts. This means you can create custom email addresses that match your domain, which looks way more professional than using a personal Gmail or Outlook address. One of the reasons we recommend one.com for email hosting is because it's just super beginner friendly. You don't need to be techie or know anything about DNS setting to get started. The dashboard is clean, simple to navigate, and all the tools you need like webmail, account creation, and setup guides are right in front of you. You can access your email from any browser using webmail, or you can connect it to the email apps you're already using like Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. And it comes with built-in spam and virus protection, so your inbox stays safe without needing to install extra tools. So whether you're a freelancer running a small biz or just want to look more professional, one.com makes it super easy to set up and grow with your needs. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the main features you get when setting up email hosting with one.com. So first off, you get a custom email address. You can create email addresses that match your domain like hello@yourdomain.com. This is great for branding, professionalism, and building trust with your audience and customers. Number 2 is webmail access. So this is all email accounts come with webmail, so you can log in and check your inbox from any browser. Number 3 is connect to Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. So you can use one.com email inside your favorite email app, so you don't have to change your routine. It works with POP3 and IMAP settings for easy setup across devices. Number 4 is built-in spam and virus protection. Your emails are protected with built-in spam filters and virus scanning, so your inbox stays clean and secure without you needing to lift a finger. Number 5 is scalable plans. So you can start with one email account and then add more as your business and team grows. You're not locked into a big plan from day one, which is huge. Now let's talk about how custom email helps your brand or business. First, it instantly builds trust. When someone sees an email from a custom domain, it tells them that you're legit. You're not just a hobbyist or a spam account. You've taken that extra step to look professional. Second, it helps with branding. Every time you send an email, schedule a call, or reply to a customer, you're reinforcing your brand. Third, it can help with deliverability. Sometimes when you're emailing from a free service like Gmail, your messages are more likely to get filtered as spam, especially if you're emailing clients or sending out cold pitches. And finally, if you ever grow into a team or even hire a VA, it's way easier to create team-based email accounts. So even if it feels like a small setup right now, this is one of those high ROI moves that sets the tone for everything else you're building. Okay, now how to set up your email hosting on one.com step by step. Let's go through the process. So what you'll do is go ahead and click the link in the description below. What we'll want to do is go ahead and go to plans and pricing. And then here you can see you'll want to either do hosting, email, website builder, and manage WordPress. So with the email, this is just $1.99 per month. And this is billed yearly. And with this, you get the free domain, you get easy migration from your email provider, webmail, AI writing assistant, ad-free email, spam filter, access from any device, 5 email accounts, 3 gigabytes of mailbox size, and 15 gigabytes of email storage, or they have the email unlimited. So this is just $4.74 per month billed yearly. And then with this, you get a free domain, you get easy migration from your email provider, you get everything that's in email essentials, but you get unlimited email accounts, unlimited mailbox size, and unlimited storage. So again, since you can grow with it, you could always start with the email essential and then move up from there. Once you are ready, you can go ahead and get started. And then you can search for a domain here. As you can see, you want to find one that's not taken. ashwellness.com is with another provider. So again, you'll want to search until you find one. Of course, if you already have one, you can go ahead and use that. This is free with hosting. We'll go ahead and click continue. And then you can go ahead and decide on the plan if you want to do the beginner hosting plan or the free unlimited. If you wanted to change that, you also can add extra domains to your order too. Then you'll click continue, and then you'll just add in your email, your customer type, whether you're an association, company company customer, private customer, public sector. You'll add your first and last name, your date of birth, your address, and you do have to agree to the terms and conditions. And then you can go ahead and click continue. Then you'll be prompted to enter in your payment information. And then step number 2 is you're going to go to the email section. In the dashboard, find your section labeled email or email accounts. This is where you're going to create and manage all of your domain email addresses. Step number 3 is to create a new email account. So click create account or add email. You'll choose your email name like info or your name, and it will automatically add your domain at the end. Then you'll want to create a password that's secure but easy for you to remember. Once that's saved, your email account is live, so you can start sending and receiving messages through One.com's webmail system immediately. Step number 4, which is optional, is to log into webmail. So you can log into your email through One.com's webmail interface. Just go to webmail.one.com and enter your email and password. It's super simple, especially if you're on the go or using a shared computer. Another optional step, which is step number 5, is to connect to Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. If you want to use your new email inside Gmail or another app, you'll need your One.com IMAP or SMTP settings. So inside your control panel, look for the email configuration or settings tabs. It'll list the exact server name, ports, and login details you'll need. Then plug those into your app of choice and you're good to go. And then lastly is step number 6, which is to just test it out. Send a test email to your new address and reply from it. Just make sure everything is flowing in and out correctly and that the connection to Gmail or Outlook is synced up properly if you are to set that up. Let's dive in quickly to the pros and cons of using One.com for email hosting so you know if it's the right choice for you. Starting off with the pros. So One.com makes it really easy to create custom email addresses, especially if you already have your domain with them. The setup process is simple, fast, and doesn't require any advanced tech skills. The webmail interface is clean and works well across devices, so even if you don't want to connect it to Gmail or another app, you can still use it without issues. They also include built-in security features like spam filtering and virus protection, so your inbox stays safe and organized. And their pricing is also very beginner friendly, and you can scale up to more email accounts if your business grows or your team expands. Now for the cons. One potential downside is that One.com's customer support is not 24/7. If you run into issues outside of their support hours, you may have to wait a bit for help. While their webmail works fine, it's not as feature rich as Gmail or Outlook, so you may prefer to connect it to another platform for a better user experience. Also, One.com's email hosting is designed for basic business needs. If you need more advanced features like shared inboxes, team collaboration tools, or integrations with project management software, you might need to explore other platforms. So if you're looking for a simple and affordable way to get a custom domain email, especially if your domain is already with One.com, then yes, this is such a great place to start. It's clean, easy to use, and gives your business or personal brand a more professional look right away. For most beginners, freelancers, and small business owners, One.com does the job well without any unnecessary extras or high costs. That wraps up this video. I hope this gave you everything you need to get your custom email set up. If you're ready to try One.com, I've left the link in the description below. And I just want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website, set up tools that actually work, and get your brand online without confusion or overwhelm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.